Tired of the same old first date routine? Let's spice things up with some unique and memorable activities that go beyond the typical dinner and a movie. Outdoor adventures, hiking or nature walk. Explore a local park or nature reserve. The beauty of the outdoors can create a relaxed and enjoyable atmosphere. Picnic in the park. Pack a basket of goodies and enjoy a leisurely picnic in a scenic location. Biking or rollerblading, get your heart pumping with a fun-filled outdoor activity. Creative pursuits, painting or pottery class. Unleash your inner artist together. Cooking class, learn a new cuisine and create a delicious meal together. Escape room. Test your problem-solving skills as you work together to escape a themed room. Unique experiences can make your first date unforgettable. Why not relive your childhood with a fun and competitive activity like visiting an arcade or bowling alley? Or explore a shared interest and learn something new by visiting a museum or art gallery. And hey, attending a concert or live show can be a fantastic way to share a memorable experience together. Sometimes the best dates are right in your own backyard. Explore a farmer's market to discover local produce, artisanal goods and unique finds. Or visit a brewery or winery to sample local brews or wines and enjoy a relaxed atmosphere. Taking a city tour can also be a great way to learn about the history and culture of your city. Remember, the best first date is one where you both feel comfortable and enjoy each other's company. Choose an activity that reflects your interests and allows you to connect on a deeper level.